Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate exam practice question. And here's what I got for you. I got a question that was submitted to me by one of my fellow instructors, Helen. Helen, thank you for the question. And no, I didn't forget about you. So I promised her I would do this question because she said, I don't know how to do this one, or she was having some problems getting to the answer and explaining it. So this is what we refer to as a straight line depreciation. And guys, what I'm going to do is in my Facebook group. So if you aren't a member already, I'm going to put a link in the description below. In my Facebook group, I'm going to put a math PDF that is going to thoroughly detail the different methods of depreciation. But based on what we have here, we're going to be using a straight line depreciation method. So let's read the question. It says an appraiser estimates the replacement cost, okay, of a building at 560,000. So the replacement is a 1-for-1. That is the cost of the building as it, what it originally should have cost. It's not a reproduction cost. This is a replacement cost. So it's going to be as close to a duplicate as possible. Okay. Keyword there. So the appraiser estimates the replacement cost of a building at 560,000. The building has an estimated life. Okay. So it has an estimated life of 40 years. And the current estimated remaining life, so that means it's a 10-year-old property. I could tell right off the bat. What is the current value of the building? So we have to come up with, and what people usually do is they look at the answers first and then they sit there and scratch their heads. Try to figure out how you're going to tackle it. Again, straight line depreciation here. So what we're going to need to do is figure out in a straight line depreciation, what happens is whatever the economic life is, whatever that life of that property is, it'll deplete itself down based on the cost or the replacement cost over that period of time. So we need to figure out what the depreciation is per year. So we're going to take the cost and we're going to assume that's the cost of the building, right? That's it. That's the replacement cost. And we're going to divide it by how many total years there are. We're going to find out that it depreciates at a rate of 14,000 per year. We take the 40 years and we subtract the 30 years remaining, and we get that it's a 10-year-old property. So then to figure out how much it has depreciated, what we do is we take 14,000, which is our annual depreciation, right? So 14,000 is our annual depreciation. And what we do is multiply it by how old the property is to find our gross depreciation. And we would get $140,000 gross depreciation, which would bring us to the answer, which is 420,000. Okay. And that's going to be good old B. Guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this one. Take care. Bye-bye.